Today I'm going to talk about Siddhartha Gautama and his life. Gautama was born in Nepal, and his family was born into the Kshatriya class, which is the warrior class. His family was Hinduism, and Siddhartha's dad was King Suddhodana, and his mom was Queen Maya. Before Siddhartha was born, Siddhartha's mom had a dream that she was visited by 4 devas who took her to the Himalayas lake, and a white elephant with a white lotus entered her side. She told the king about it, and then the priest told the king that if he kept Siddhartha in the palace, he would become a great warrior. So King Arthur did keep him in the palace, but gave him all the luxuries he wanted, like dancing, girls, and countless amounts of servants. Siddhartha's mother died shortly after giving birth to him. Once Siddhartha turned 16, he married a princess, Yasodhara, who gave birth to a son named Rahula. At the age of 29, Prince Yasodhara ventured off out of the palace with his chariot and rode through. He counted 4 things known as the 4 passing sights. The first is the old man, the second is the diseased man, the third is the dead man, and the fourth is the ascetic. Sightings filled him with sadness. He realized that his life of luxury and pleasure would not save him. So Siddhartha left his wife and son and father and set out looking for the enlightenment. Set off and then later joined a group of 5 mendicants and practiced asceticism, which is severe fasting. Because he was starving himself, he was in the midst of dying, and a little girl came up to him and offered a meal of rice and milk. His 5 companions ended up abandoned. This is when Siddhartha discovered the middle way doctrine. The middle way doctrine holds that healthy spiritual life depends on a healthy physical life. Once he found the middle way, he focused his energy on attaining moksha, which is release. Sat beneath a fig tree and wouldn't leave until he found enlightenment. Then Mara sent his 3 daughters to distract him, and failed. Siddhartha turned his focus on meditation, and he finally reached enlightenment and became the Buddha. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day.